Hey everyone, welcome to exciting new updates in Odoo 18, introducing the confirm and reset button for selecting multiple companies. So as you just move on to here, you can find the companies that are available in your database. So if you want to select multiple companies, you can select that and click on the confirm button, and this finalizes your selection seamlessly. Now here you can also find the reset button. So this allows to reset the selections instantly. So as I just click on reset here, you can see that the um, reset is done instantly, and this streamline your multi-company management and boost efficiency with these new features. So thank you for watching the video.